Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF size using Foxit PDF editor. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to open up your PDF inside of Foxit. Then from here, you want to click onto the File tab at the top of the page, top left hand corner, and then click into where it says PDF Optimizer. Now here it says reduce file size, so go ahead and click on reduce file size. Now it will say quickly reduce the size of PDFs by using default settings applicable to most files. So go ahead and click on current file, or if you've got multiple files you can click on multiple, but for this I'm just going to go ahead and click onto that one. Now from here, a little pop-up is going to say reduce file size, so PDF version compatibility, make compatible with, retain existing, or we got different PDF versions, but I'm just going to keep it retain. Then below that we got compression, so we got compression effect. We can use a basic, medium, or strong compression. Now if you want some more info about these options, we can go ahead and hover our mouse and click onto I, and it's going to give you some more details. So it says here basic compression, resampling the images only. The image quality is higher. It will not, just got out of it, it will not discard any objects or user data. Medium compression, resampling, not sure why it's just clicking off, but yeah, if you just want to pause the video and have a read, so you got different options here to pick from. Now what we can do is estimate the compression size. I'm going to click onto that. So it says original size 1.22 megabytes, optimized 761. Now let's go ahead and look at strong. So strong is 655 kilobytes, and basic is probably going to be closer to 1 meg. So yeah, just go ahead and choose which one you want and then click on OK.